Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the all-new Tiffin Allegro Bay Model 38AB. So to get started, we are actually here at the Tiffin factory doing VIN number 001. This one's actually a prototype, so there will be some differences once this comes into full production. But what I love about this is made on the S2 RV chassis. It's 360 horsepower with 800 pound-feet of torque. Right up there, we do have a nice seamless fiberglass front cap. The paint job's absolutely beautiful. You also have these nice big 22.5 Michelin tires. Air ride suspension in the rear, sumo shocks up front, but you do have the air ride seats, so it's very comfortable with driving down the road. Coming down here, we do have 3 huge slide outs right here. Frameless windows, nice big slide outs, and what I love about this is that it does have aluminum slam latch doors. Very, very nice features. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, you can see this is awesome super seat. Nice bunk over the cab. You raise this up, and it makes it easy to get in and out of the cockpit area. Nice cockpit, air horn. Here's what I mean when I'm saying the air seats. You see how it's lifting up and down? Very nice feature. Over here in the living room, we do have the theater seats right here. Nice big windows, nice light cabinetry. And the theater seats are directly across from the TV right there. And this is a sofa that does have a bed that comes out. Right over here, we do have a nice corner kitchen. Nice solid surface countertops right there, very nice. This one is all electric as an option. Standard is propane with the regular cooktop. Also right here is the table and chairs. Also an option, the regular is the booth dinette. Coming on down the side here, we do have a refrigerator here. Again, prototype. The ones that are going to market, the refrigerator will now be on the slide out. Some things are changing about this one. Over here, we do have a nice one-piece fiberglass shower. Very nice, very good size. Check out this bedroom back here. It is ready for a combo washer dryer. Very nice bedroom. And then what's really unique about this bed tilts up. This bottom part never moves. So you're always able to access your storage right there. And then to wrap it all up is your bathroom area. Very nice. Well guys, thank you so much for checking out this quick 2-minute tour. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you're ready to buy, fill out the form down below. One of our Super C specialists will get in contact with you. They're going to let you know all the regular changes that have been made from this prototype, and they're going to help get you a phenomenal deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.